What's up everybody? Welcome back to your channel. Today is the finally here the NBA 2K27 the trailer. For watch for the video to browser from the PlayStation. So Xbox, Nintendo Switch 2, PC Windows Steam the finally here to last year 2K26. Let's go to the browser the browser 2K27 is read ball over everything yan read the who stole don't stop and the run never end into NBA 2K27 chase greatness over the clock in my career my team and my NBA and make your hope dreams a reality. Accept and play. Watch trailer.
And Wembanyama is the hero. The hometown kid from
Wembanyama.
I'm obsessed with the work.
Wembanyama.
I come in here every single day and I want to be the best player in the world.
He'll take it in, the bump, the lean, the dive. Ah, the juice! Victor, fadeaway jumper. Down it goes. Victor Wembanyama hits a game winner.
That's what's going to help you win championships at the end of the day.
Shot Town's finest, the MVP.
Wait. So 2K27 is early access play up to 7 days early. Pre-order now, September 4, 2026. Okay. So pre-order for limited time rewards 2K27 the NBA. Limited time offer available now. Pre-order the 2K27 Deluxe or Ultra Edition by August 17 to earn excuse reward in both 2K26 and 2K27. So pre-order NBA 2K27 Deluxe Edition or Ultra Edition before August 17 and claim this limited time offer in addition to 1000 VC pre-order bonus. This limited time offer includes 15,000 VC, a Racer helmet, and a gold Stephen Curry My Team card in NBA 2K26, a hyperdrive suite, and a 90 OVR Victor Wembanyama My Team card in 2K27. NBA 2K27 loyalty discount. Choose your edition. Standard edition, Deluxe edition, Ultra edition. So pre-order now from the August 17, 10 a.m. PT live on YouTube from September 3, 2026. Pre-order now from NBA 2K27. Hey, subscribe to Shanrain Gaming, follow the more, the Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook. See you in the next one. Bye.